So, nighttime update. I finished painting the trim. Quick update on the trim. So I know you're like, well, you just painted them last night. How's their update? So I don't know if you can see, you know, it's kind of got like this yellow tint to it. I'm like, oh, not really a fan. Then I'm looking at the can. Lesson learned. Look at your color. See this nice little bar down here? That's the color of the paint. Paint color is deep base. Number 3930. Is not white. As you can see, it's a yellowy gold, which is why my trim is a yellowy color and it looks dingy and I'm not happy. Hey guys, it's your favorite half of the Hyman duo, obviously the Emily half, coming to you from the kitchen. I'm also here featuring my ugly yellowed trim. I've had some time to process the gravity of my mistake, but just kind of like mentally being okay with the fact that I'm going to have to deal with this. So today I am going to be fixing this, which is super fun. So I'm gonna sand it with 220 grit sandpaper and rough it up, and then I'll install the shoe and then start priming. I'm also going to have to prime these doors again. So it's probably gonna be another like 2 hours or so of painting for sure. Probably a little bit longer than that. And then we'll see how far I get.
Alright, we're going into the garage. So, I made this little jig here, right here. So it sets up. So we got one hole, but we're going fancy here. Let me find the bar. Nice black bar to contrast with the white. So boom, drill, drill, good to go. If it's on this side, flip it over, boom.